Are you tired of taking pictures of large drawings because they often come out looking dark and blurry? Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to merge drawings into one illustration. Drawings no larger than 8.5 by 11 are ideal for this technique. In this video, I'll be demonstrating with these drawings of Casey versus Bailey in the program Gimp, since that's the largest I can scan. First, I open one of the files, go to Image, then Canvas Size, and increase the width or height depending how many pictures you plan to merge. I'm only adding another 8.5 by 11, so I just doubled the width. After pasting the second picture, I then use the cloning tool to merge the tree that separates these drawings. In the meantime, I cleaned up both drawings using that same clone tool while I was at it. And there we have it. Just plan your drawings accordingly. Treat each sheet of paper as if they're about to become one. Thanks for watching.